let me share a trade one of my student has taken in this particular week. The reason why I'm sharing this trade is because the possibility how a particular setup thing work. I always emphasize on the fact that there has to be a setup when you take a trade, and what happens when you have a setup is that you get a limited risk, and in proportion to that limited risk you get a reward in that way, right? So here let me just share that with you. So this is one trade that one of my student has taken, and this was a trade wherein Nifty 7th August 25,000 put he has traded, and on the previous day he had entered this trade, and from there after the Trump tariff announcement he could gain more than 200 points in this particular trade. So the trade was something like he entered somewhere here on this resistance of 50 EMA, and from there it is expected to fall. So it fell on the opening of this candle. He booked somewhere around 400-ish level. One thing that we need to keep in our mind is that this trade was taken with a small risk of price closing above the previous day's high. So it was a win-win kind of a trade. So even if there was a gap up opening, that losses would have been minimal. Here in this case, the trade has gone in favor because the trade was with 100 lots. So the magnitude is something that you can be seen. My point here is not about 100 lot. I am not here to tell you that everybody can trade in this quantity or everybody can be profitable using F&O. That's not why I'm here for. I am here to emphasize on the fact that the setup does the magic. So whether you are trading with 1 lot, 5 lot, 10 lot, 100 lot, 1000 lot, that depends on your money management, right? I'm not here to show you dreams or prompt you to do something, but if you learn the method, if you learn the process, then you can make it as big as you want, right? So keep it simple, and if you follow the setup is going to deliver you in a big way.